Hola clase! Today we're going to be talking about the preterite, specifically some of the irregulars in the preterite. Okay, we're going to start with some review. So the endings for your A are verbs aste, o, amos, same ending as the present tense, astes, aron. Okay, ER, IR endings, iste, io, imos, same ending as present, istes, ieron. Okay, ser and ir. Ser means to be, while ir means to go. However, they are the same in the preterite. Yo fui, tú fuiste, él, ella, usted fue, nosotros fuimos, vosotros fuisteis, y fueron. Dar and ver. Dar is to give and ver is to see. They are very similar in the preterite. Di, vi, diste, viste, dio, vio, dimos, vimos, disteis, vistes, dieron, vieron. Hacer means to make or to do. Hice, hiciste, hizo. Notice that hizo has a little bit of a spell change from a C to a Z in this form. Hicimos, hicisteis, hicieron. Okay, we're going to talk about U verbs in the preterite. The endings for the U verbs are the following. A, iste, o, imos, istes, ieron. There are no written accents on any of those forms. Okay, some of the U verbs are the following. There's a little mnemonic device to help you remember if you would like. Don't let them a step on you. Andar is the first one, which means walked. Anduve is the form or stem you're going to use. Saber, found out, which is a little bit different meaning than what it is in the present tense. Soup is the stem. Tener, had, becomes tuve. Estar, was or were, becomes estuve. Poner, put or placed, becomes pus. Poder, which means managed to in the past, is pud. And then haber, there was or there were, which is hubo. And hubo is the one form that we are going to use. Okay, let's do a little bit of practice. Tener, which means to have. Yo tuve, tú tuviste, él, ella, usted tuvo, nosotros tuvimos, vosotros tuvisteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes tuvieron. Poder, to be able to or manage to. Yo pude, tú pudiste, él, ella, usted pudo, nosotros pudimos, vosotros pudisteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes pudieron. Okay, practiquemos. Go ahead and complete the practice problems. When you are finished, restart the video and check your answers. Okay, las chicas se pusieron las chaquetas. Yo anduve por el parque. Tú estuviste enfermo por 2 semanas. Mi amigo y yo supimos la información. En noviembre hubo un huracán. You walked to school yesterday. Tú anduviste a la escuela ayer. The students found out the secret. Los estudiantes supieron el secreto. She put on the shoes. Ella se puso los zapatos. We had to study last night. Nosotros tuvimos que estudiar anoche. The student managed to learn the preterite tense. El estudiante pudo aprender el tiempo del pretérito. Okay, los verbos de I, or I verbs in the preterite. The endings are a, iste, o, imos, istes, ieron, which are the same endings as the U verbs. Hopefully that makes it a little bit easier. Okay, some of the I verbs, hacer, did or made, becomes is. Notice there's 2 spellings. Querer, tried, which is a little bit different meaning, quis. No querer, refused, no quis. Venir, came. Bin is your stem or root. Practiquemos querer, which is quis. Quise, quisiste, quiso, quisimos, quisisteis, quisieron. Venir, yo vine, tú viniste, él, ella, usted vino, nosotros vinimos, vosotros vinisteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes vinieron. Okay, practiquemos. Go ahead and practice and then play the video when you're ready to check your answers. Yo vine tarde a la clase. Los padres no quisieron darles dinero a los hijos. Tú quisiste hablar con la chica bonita. We made a cake for Ana. Nosotros hicimos un pastel para Ana. I tried to study, but my friend refused to study. Yo quise estudiar, pero mi amigo no quiso estudiar. My siblings came to the party at 9. Mis hermanos vinieron a la fiesta a las 9. Los verbos J. Your endings are iste o, imos, istes, eron. Notice these are the same endings as you and I, except for the ellos, ellas, ustedes form. Notice there is no I in there, it's just eron. Please circle that or put a star by it so you remember that it's different. Okay, decir, said, becomes di. Traer, brought, becomes tra. Conducir, drove, becomes conduh. Producir, produced, becomes produ. Traducir, translated, becomes tradu. Okay, so let's look at decir. Yo dije, tú dijiste, él dijo, nosotros dijimos, vosotros dijisteis, ellos dijeron. Notice that ending is eron. There's no I. Traer. Yo traje, tú trajiste, él trajo, nosotros trajimos, vosotros trajisteis, ellos trajeron. Okay, go ahead and do the practice and play the video when you're ready to check. Okay, María condujo al centro comercial anoche. Tú trajiste el pastel a la fiesta. Mis padres me dijeron la verdad. El estudiante tradujo las frases en español. The company produced the cars. La compañía produjo los carros. I drove to school yesterday. Yo conduje a la escuela ayer. They told us the answers. Ellos nos dijeron las respuestas. The teacher didn't translate the vocabulary. La profesora no tradujo el vocabulario. Muy bien, clase.